ठीक है ब्रो, सेट ठीक है
Bro, it's already recording.
अबे यार क्या कर रहा है यार. Okay, anyways, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have a very special unboxing, in fact one of the most exciting unboxings for the year. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So this is the package we are unboxing today. You already know what's inside the package because of the thumbnail. So while Wags unboxes the whole box for today, let me tell you something what happened around these shoes before I got them. Alright, so what happened is that I got the Union Guava Ice from seller abroad, and after that there was a little delay in that. So I contacted Cop Underdog Official, who got this pair for me that we are going to unbox today. Now after that what happened is that I still wanted the black pair because obviously I love them both and I'm a fan of Jordan 4s. So I was all this while thinking that I have bought the black pair from abroad, but after I bought the Guava Ice from Cop Underdog, I realized that the pair that I bought from abroad is also another pair of Guava Ice only and not the black. So I got back to Cop Underdog again and they were fast enough to hook me up with a black one again. But obviously that's not come here yet in my hand. It's going to take another day or two, and I couldn't really wait to unbox these because I'm absolutely excited and waiting to wear them. So I'm going to unbox that today. Now what I'm going to do with the second pair of Guava Ice is I will tell you about that next week. If you remember, I spoke about a big announcement, so that's going to come next week most probably, and that is when I will also share about what I'm going to do with the second pair of Guava Ice. So basically I got both the pairs, the black and the Guava Ice, from Cop Underdog. So that's the fuck up that happened with me while purchasing these Union Jordan 4s. Not just that, I also got two more things which is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you that also. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so before we get to the unboxing, like I spoke about Cop Underdog, that I've got my Unions from Cop Underdog and also a couple of more things. So they are one of my usual resellers that I deal with, and not just that, they recently turned one, that is they are 1 year old now. So they are running a really crazy exciting sale on their page, so don't forget to check that out and also follow them on Instagram. Alright, so the first thing I got is this pillow or cushion, whatever you call it, from Takashi Murakami. So I don't know how much this retailed for, but I got it for about $250 if I'm not mistaken. That's about 20,000 rupees. So yeah, sorry. Now next I have this hoodie from Bape. This is from the, one second, let me open that up. So this is from the Bape Antisocial Drop. Now something about this is that I don't usually buy Antisocial Social Club anymore, and not just that, I've never even bought that on resale before. But what happened this time is that when this dropped, it hardly took about half a second before everything was sold out, and I really wanted this hoodie because I expected it to be in a better quality because it was from Bape, and it did not disappoint at all. This feels really nice on the inside and I think it's a pretty sick collab, so I definitely wanted a piece from this. So I got this for about $400 and it retailed for around $330, so $70 above retail is not really a bad deal. Alright, so moving to the main thing for today, that is the Union Air Jordan 4s. Now let's go ahead and unbox these before we talk about it in detail. So as you can see, this box comes in a sort of vintage yellow colorway on the top, which is similar to the midsole used on the shoe, along with this brigade blue as they officially call it at the bottom. So let's go ahead and open this up. Comes with this really nice print on the butter paper, which we also saw in the Union ones. So they pretty much do a lot with the box and the packaging, which is really nice as against any other sneakers that usually release. So here they are. These are the Union Air Jordan 4 Guava Ice colorway. These are rumored to be a Union exclusive drop and retail for around $250, which doesn't really matter anymore. Currently reselling for around $1,000 in the resale market. These are definitely going to be great investment for the long term. Let's go ahead and take a look at some details. Mesh toe box with this really nice sort of suede material in light pink around it. Moving up, we have the lace crowns in the same red and the blue colorway. It's not actually red. In fact, I might call it a coral pink colorway, but any which ways they call it some weird named red. With a vintage looking yellowish netting in the middle and on the tongue. Then we have the wing in the translucent material with no cutout like in all other Air Jordan 4s. Next is this controversial tongue which is folded into half and can be unfolded as well. I kind of like the tongue this way, so I think I'm going to wear it as it is for some time. Moving on, we have some mesh again on the ankle area, signature heel tab and Nike Air on it. Comes with a Union hang tag as seen on the ones as well, with these white or off-white laces with an extra pair of laces in yellow. Finally, we have the blue insoles and a yellowish vintage looking mid and outsole with hits of some blue and red on it. So I got them for roughly about $800 to $900 if I'm not mistaken. That's about 70 to 75,000, but the prices have gone up further from that. So you can hit up Cop Underdog on their DMs and find out what they're currently reselling at, and probably you can go ahead and book your pairs as well. Now, talking about the black pair, I really wanted the black pair and I think I like them better, and I had decided that I will keep only the black one and not keep this because these are pretty similar to the Off-White Jordan 4s that you see in the background. But after getting it in hand, I feel the quality is absolutely amazing, and so I think for now I have decided to keep both the pairs and we will see how it goes later. So let's quickly go ahead and see how they look on feet with this controversial folded tongue. So that's all from me for today. Do let me know in the comments below what do you feel about these Union Air Jordan 4s, and not just that, like I mentioned about having the second pair of these and doing something special with that. So I will be coming back with a big announcement probably in the next week. So stay tuned for that and I'll see you in another one. Peace.
क्या कर रहा है?
अरे टैग काट रहा हूँ यार, फिर वो टैग अगर निकालना भूल गया तो लोग बोलेंगे टैग के साथ पहनता है, बाद में बेचेगा, रखता तो है नहीं। You know how it works.